Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President and Congress candidate for the Shillong Parliamentary seat, Vincent H. Pala, today informed that both the candidates for Shillong as well as Tura seat will file nomination on Monday. Talking to media persons, Pala said in the meeting held at the Congress Bhavan, instructions were given to the party workers as well as to the bloc presidents to refrain from making unnecessary controversial comments during the elections. Pala also highlighted on various promises made by the party. When asked whether there is equal competition from all the party, Pala said that every political party is strong in its own way.
Thank you, ma'am, for attending, and after some time,
Party already decided my name for the one Shillong parliamentary seats and Saleng Isama for the two Tura parliamentary seats. Because of that, we try to give instructions to our workers, and also we take the views of the district president, the bloc president, suggestions, because election will be fought not only by us from here but at the bloc level mainly, and how to speak for during the campaign and so many other things which normally we practice, how to put our polling agents, when is the last date to give the names. That is the purpose of the meeting.